Welcome. You've found a way here for a reason. There's something your body, your heart is ready to let go of. This is your space to release, to breathe, to finally set down what you've been carrying all along. Let's begin. Find a position where you feel supported, sitting or lying down, and let your eyes close or soften your gaze. Bring your focus inward. Take a deep breath into your nose and let it out through your mouth, slow and fully. Again, breathe in deeply and exhale completely. With every breath, you're arriving more fully in your body, in the here, in the now. Let's scan the body gently. There's no rush, just noticing. Bring your awareness to the top of your head and slowly move down to your forehead, your eyes, your ears, to your jaw. Let it all soften. Let the tension all go. Now scan your neck and your shoulders. How does they feel? Is there any weight here? Any tension? Maybe pressure? Just observe it. Let your breath flow into those spaces, and with your exhale, imagine loosening, softening, and releasing. Now move through your chest, your ribs. How does it feel there? Now go to your stomach. And remember to breathe deeply in and out. Notice any tightness or heaviness. Where does it live inside you? Breathe into it and exhale it out. Continue down to your hips. Where is the tension there? Go to your thighs, to your knees, to your feet. Know that you're present, you're safe, you're ready. Now I want you to imagine this. All the emotional weight you've been carrying looks like an object. A heavy stone, chains, maybe an armor. Each one tied to pain, to fear, to memories or beliefs that no longer serves you. Feel them. Where are you carrying them? Are you carrying them in your shoulders? Or in your chest? In your gut? How does the weight, how does the object look like for you? Imagine it in your head. Is it big? Is it small? Is it a funny object? Let's start to remove them, one by one. Picture your hands lifting a stone from your chest. It's heavy, but you're ready. Place it down. Let it go. Let it drop. Hear the heavy sounds of how it lands on the ground. Feel the relief that you no longer have to carry it with you. Now another one. Maybe it's lodged in your throat. Words you never said. Unspoken pain. Take the object out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And drop it. Release it. With each breath out, you're letting go of what you were never meant to hold this long. Look for another one. Where is there another object in your body? Imagine it. Picture it before you. Breathe in. Breathe out. And drop it. You don't need to carry this anymore. It's safe to let it go. Safe to feel lighter. Safe to be free. Now feel the space where the weight once was. It's empty, raw and tender. Breathe into that space. Now feel a slow radiant light beginning to pour into that open space. It seeps into your skin, into your blood, into your bones. It moves with your breath. It hums with the truth. It's not just light, it's you remembering who you are underneath it all. Let it fill your chest until it cracks open with relief. Let it flood your belly, where fear used to live. Let it reach into the forgotten corners, the locked doors, into the scars. Let it all take up the space. Now speak these words with your full self. I am not what happened to me. I am what I choose to become. I release the armor. I honor the pain. I reclaim my peace. What once protected me, I now release with gratitude. I am rebuilding. I am rising. I am free. Now let that settle in. Let that sink. Let that become the real you. Begin to bring awareness back to your body, to the ground beneath you, to the room around you. Wiggle with your fingers, your toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes again. Take one final deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. You've done something powerful today. Come back to this practice anytime the weight feels too heavy again. You don't have to follow. You don't have to hold it all in, not anymore.